If you are currently struggling to make videos due to recent Grok upgrade to Pro version, this video is for you. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make videos. I mean, very fine, interesting, engaging, and catchy videos. Also cinematic videos using the YouTube app. I mean, you are doing this for free. You're not going to pay any money. Please just follow along. Now listen. Before I go to the YouTube app proper to start the screen recording there and to create it, I will let you know the process. Please just listen. I will tell you the process that I will be using, because at that area the YouTube is going to use my audio, so you may not likely hear me. That's why I say just listen now. So when I go to the YouTube area, I will just act as if I want to, start adding a video already that I've created. Start adding a video. Then I'll click on add. When I click on add, there's where they will show me create video. All right. Then I just go over there to create video. You see it. Okay, to create video. Then after creating the video, I would ask as I want to, like if I want to upload the video that I've created already, then that place that they will tell you to add sound, add music, that is YouTube music. Okay, when you click on that place, the next thing you see is where they will ask you to add music. Now let's go so that you see how this is done properly. Please remember, if you don't hear me, just follow along carefully. So we are now at YouTube, alright? You'll notice why I said listen carefully first before we come over here. Now go to this plus sign, which is add. Then this is what I told you, alright? So let me continue.